Hello everybody, it's David from Trainday, and today I'm going to show you how to take your Trainday courses and export them as PowerPoint presentations, right? So here we are at trainday.io. Go ahead and log in, go to courses, and I'm going to go to my roadway safety class course, and all my slides have been generated and I'm ready to export my project, right? So you can see right here, all my stuff is done.
Welcome to our road construction.
So I'm going to click on export, export PowerPoint. Here we go. It's going to give us our project right here. Download it. I'm going to put this on my desktop. And now I'm going to go to Microsoft 360 here on the web. I'm going to click upload. I'll select my project. And here we are with our roadway safety class in PowerPoint.
Welcome to our road construction safety training course.
There we go.
Asegúrese de tener auriculares u orejeras.
There we go. So thanks for watching, and can't wait to see what you build with Trainday and use it in your PowerPoint presentations. I'll see you next time.